My favorite part, I would have to say, is the networking.
It's spending that time with people. The rest of the year, you can pick up the phone and call somebody, and they know you.
You get to meet some great people, old friends, and make new friends.
On the bus ride over here, I just met the owner of a company in Florida, and he was giving me some tips on, hey, try this out. We went through these growing pains already.
I've been able to visit companies all over the United States. I go and I see their operations, and they're always willing and ready to open their doors to me.
We've talked to so many different vendors and different people that have other companies that we've linked up with.
Having an opportunity where there's 20,000 people here to say, hey, did you see that? What do you think? Are you using that yet? Is it successful?
I've gotten a lot of great ideas for my business as far as contracts and things like that, which is amazing, and that'll definitely help me step up to the next level.